We've lived in Manila too before we came here in the US. Let's go back to English. So anyway, what topic are we going to talk about today? It's about how to start your first step on your business journey. But before we dive in, just a quick disclaimer, of course, because we don't know if we're going to talk about anything financial or anything informational purposes. Makaka-ano ng iba, makaka-iba ng resulta sa iba. So, I just need to give a quick disclaimer. So, everything we share today is based on our personal experience. And it's only for educational, informational purposes only. And we're not the financial advisor, and individual results will always vary. So always do your own research and make the best decisions for you. With that said, so let's get into it. So your one simple step, that's all you need, and that's all it takes. Success isn't about knowing everything. It's about taking the first step. Correct? So what is the simple step? That's the simple action step. So ito lang po ang kailangan nyo pong gawin. Ang kailangan nyo pong first step sa start ng business journey na to is register po kayo sa aking website. It's www.mariamoletaranza.com, and it's on our live. Doon sa description, makikita nyo naman po yung aking website, o it's on my bio, on my business page. Check my bio, and my website is on my bio page. It's www.mariamoletaranza.com, and register on my website, and just fill in your first name, or your first name or full name, and then your email. Then magko-consent, may check mark po yan na mag-consent lang po kayo na you're giving out your consent for the information. And then click the register. Once you click the register, and you're actually on my website, right? Once you click on register, you go into the next page of the website, in which there is a video. But on top of the video, meron po yung join us. Don't have to click that join us first, because you have to watch the video. Actually, the video, it's a free video, so you don't have to worry about initial investment or anything. Free video po yun, kasi yun po ang magiging gabay na what is our business about. It's the core fundamentals of what is the business about. Sorry po kung ano. And that's actually, it's po ang mga informasyon na malalaman nyo kung ano po ba ito. And then, there's also success stories of the people that are in the program, who are making mga testimonials, mga success stories. Siyempre magbibigay sila ng mga success stories. Usually, talaga, you're gonna do, and that's actually what's the start. And it's a 90-minute webinar or video, and you could actually watch it anytime you want. You could put it's a 3-part video. You could watch it 30 minutes at a time, or whatever you want. And you could always go back on it through that, and you could go after you click that website. And of course, if you're not going to watch it continuously, you could go to your email, and there's an email. It's an automated email that you registered, and there you could get through that webinar. Because you might just say, how can I go back to that webinar? So just go to that email, and then you could go to that webinar. And there's also, having this 90-minute webinar, there's also a live webinar that is being offered every Tuesdays and Thursdays. So dun sa mga email na yon, and you're gonna get those emails, and because you've registered, you're gonna get an email every day. until you signed up if you want to join. Then there's going to be a choice before Tuesdays and before Thursdays if you want to sign up to watch the live webinar. These are live webinars na fundamentals yung ganito, plus mga live webinar ng mga members that would want to talk about the program and the success stories live. And you could actually ask questions and everything from there. And they can also replay that. So, may mga replay din ho yun. And then they could make a replay from that too. And then if actually you decided to join, then you could click that join. And then you would know for sure. That's the first step, join. Then after joining the program, you would, of course, that's actually what we call, you took the leap of faith, right? And you will have an access, you'll get the behind the scenes or how we earn, the look of how we earn, the affiliate companies that we partner with, the products we thrive on, and much more. Now, then you will have also a strategy call with the coach. Of course, another thing is that once you join me and that when you register, I become your mentor. And then there's a coach in our team. Then you actually schedule a strategy call with our coach in our team. So after that, well, actually before that, you watch a video, you watch another video that actually explains not only the program, but also the affiliate part and how we earn. That's actually the behind the scene, the business model. There you go. That's the business model, how we earn and everything, the affiliate companies. And then you actually make a strategy call. That's a coach call. You schedule a coach call with a coach. Then once you decide to become a business partner, then that's it. You're a business partner. Then what do you get for that then? Then you get the business mentorship, the community access, the support group, the weekly millionaire mastermind access, which actually we just finished that. And it was actually a powerful presentation that we just finished regarding effective communication. And it's really a powerful presentation. And also, and this is actually a meetup, kind of like a meetup virtually with everyone every week. And also trying to check, meeting everyone, and also knowing all the milestones of each one, so at least those who are getting this. So who knows, one of you will be there and looking at all those people and getting all these things. So those are the things that you're getting. And the built-in enterprise level systems built in for you. It's automated. And the social media marketing and ad training from A to Z. So if you know about social media, you've been doing all of this, you know about Facebook, you know about TikTok, about Instagram, all of those. But we train you on a business level. And then there's also a lot of multiple income streams behind that. So if you want to change your life and the lives of those around you, then this is your chance and this is your first step. So everyone actually, so basically start signing up for this webinar, reaching out for mentorship, and start your business page. Everyone starts at zero. The difference between those who succeed and those who don't, they take action. Your future self will thank you for starting today. Whether it's joining this webinar, writing your idea, or reaching out to a mentor. So on top of that, just of course, just to getting you onto persuade you getting into this. We want to more discussion about this, so at least small steps lead to massive change. Right, Pa?
We're ready to take you on the wild ride through the world of skill acquisition. In today's fast-paced world, sitting back and binge watching cat video just doesn't cut it anymore. Sorry, Floppy, but it's time to level up. Yes, that's the right. It's time to register for the free webinar and gain those essential skills that make you superhero of your career, minus the cape. Although capes are totally optional.
See, I'm using the cape because when we had the COVID nurses, we wear the capes. So anyway, think about it. Whether you want to master Excel and dazzle your boss, or learn the art of public speaking and wow the crowd at your next event, there's a course out there with your name on it. And let's not forget learning a language. Imagine ordering a coffee in Paris and actually getting what you asked for instead of a mystery drink that would make even a brave soul cringe. Sign up and you'll soon be conversing like a local. Or at the very least, you'll know how to say croissant correctly. Oh, did I say it correctly? Oh, I don't know. Now I hear you saying, but Molette, I don't have the time. Oh, dear, that again. Oh, my friend, life is too short to let time imprison you in a bubble of mediocrity. Courses are more flexible than your yoga instructor. You can learn at your own pace from anywhere in your pajamas while pretending to listen to your Zoom call. You name it. Plus, think of all the new friends you could make. Who doesn't want to nerd out over something new with a group of like-minded folks? We have a lot of people around. Oh my goodness. On this mastermind, on the other webinars, other meetups, other trainings we have. This is not only it. Oh my goodness, we could meet a lot of people.
So, what are you waiting for? Don't let another day pass by in the land of what if. Start your business today and unlock that potential hiding deep inside you. Remember, the only thing standing between you and your dream is, well, you. So let's get out there and become the rock stars of skill acquisition.
Yes. Creating your business website is like giving your brand its very own house on the internet. Think of it as a digital welcome mat, except instead of welcome, it should say, we mean business. In this online world where first impressions matter, having a website is essential to establish your presence. It's time to trade those paper pamphlets for pixels. When crafting your website, remember it's your chance to strut your stuff. Showcase what makes your business unique. Want to highlight your quirky personality? Excellent! Don't hold back. Add a dash of humor, a pinch of creativity, and perhaps a meme of two, but let's keep it professional. Folks, after all, we want to draw customers in, not out of our sight. And we have our own website thing. And I'm talking to you about this website, but remember, it's all done for you all on those website kind of thing. You just choose and choose, but you could also do on your own. It's up to you.
Now, let's talk about layout. Ever walk into a shop and felt like you stumbled into a maze? That's what a confusing website feels like. Keep it simple, clear, and initiative. Your visitors should find what they're looking for faster than a kid in a candy store. And don't forget those mobile users. If your website isn't easy to navigate on their phones, they might just bounce faster than you can say optimization.
But don't worry about that. You can do, if you find that you've done something like that kind of a thing and you didn't use the one that you have that, it's a guidelines. If you have to just differ it from your own, but there's still a template that we follow, and it's a template anyway. But so not to worry about those. Lastly, consistency is key. From your logo to your color scheme, everything should resonate with your brand's vibe. So just think about that. You follow all those. A well-designed website isn't just an online brochure. It's part of your brand story. I'm just talking all about this, of course. The way I look at it, I know I talked to you about that first step, but these are also first steps that sometimes there's also here talking to you about it. But so it's part of your brand story. So roll up your sleeves and get to work on that website. Your online presence isn't going to build itself. After all, if you don't show up, how can you expect anyone to find you?
Have you ever felt like you're wandering through a maze, blindfolded? Well, let me take off that blindfold for you. Today, I want you to talk about the power of reaching out for mentorship. It's like having a GPS in your pocket, guiding you through the twists and turns of your career. So why not ask someone who's been there and done that to give you and nudge you in the right direction?
Yeah. So she's saying, why not ask someone who's been there and done that? So of course, now I know what you're thinking. Molette, how do I even find a mentor? Well, didn't I tell you, if you sign up on my website, well, hello, you're looking at her. Hi, thank you. I'm so happy. I'm so glad. I am so glad that you have signed up. I am so glad. Thank you so much. And you'll be happy, and you'll be happy that you will be enjoying our team, and you will not regret it, actually. And so fear not. Don't be shy. A simple hello can open doors you didn't even know existed. Be prepared to soak up my wisdom like a sponge. So take out all the knowledge from me if you want to. I might share stories of my epic failures along with my triumphs. All valuable lessons. And let's be real. Sometimes the best advice comes from someone who's already face planted into the wall you're about to hit. And not only from me, the whole team and the whole outside of our just team, you can always ask questions. A mentor isn't just a fountain of knowledge. They're a safety net that can catch you when you're about to take a leap of faith. We have the coach. We have the other team members of the team. They're so open.
Lastly, don't forget the
mentorship.
Mentorship is in a two-way street. While you're gaining guidance, think about what you can offer in return. Whenever it's your perspective, tech-savvy skills, or even just enthusiasm, bring something to the table. After all, great mentors love to see their mentees grow and shine. So let your brilliance dazzle them. Now get out there, reach out, and let the mentorship magic begin.
That's true, right? Because it's not only me that can actually just teach you. You could always teach me too. That doesn't mean that you came into our team and I'm the only one who knows everything. And you may know a lot of things that I don't know. So it's a two-way street. So you learn from me, I could learn a lot from you. Who knows, I'll be learning a lot more from you. And that's actually okay. I would appreciate all of that. Oh my goodness, that's, if you bring something to the table that could actually bring our team great, oh my goodness, that actually we could grow and shine. So we could dazzle
knowledge
everyone. Sharing, what did you say?
Sharing knowledge is not bad.
Yes, well, it's not only that not bad. It's
good.
great. It's excellent. All right, folks, let's talk business plans. Now I know that what you might be thinking, a business plan? That sounds about as exciting as watching paint dry. But trust me, developing a solid business plan is like giving your dreams a GPS. Without it, you'll just be driving around in circles, wondering where the heck you're going. First things first. What's the first things first? A business plan is not just a fancy piece of paper to impress investors. It's your roadmap. It clarifies your visions and sets your goals in concrete terms. Imagine trying to assemble IKEA furniture without instructions. You'd end up with a bookshelf that's more wobble than stable. A well-crafted business plan helps avoid wobbly ventures and keeps you on track.
Now, let's break it down. Start by clarity, defining your business vision. Ask yourself, what do I want to achieve? Once you got that locked in, set a specific goals and know, I want to be rich isn't a goal, that's a daydreaming. Instead, aim for something measurable. I want to increase my business partner by 25% in the next year. See? Much more targeted.
Yes. Instead that I want to be rich.
It's one step
It's
at
a smart goal. So finally, don't forget to revisit and revise that plan. Business isn't static, right?
Shift happens faster than trends on social media. Your business plan should evolve with you, adapting to challenges and opportunities alike. So take a moment every few months, shake things up, ensure your plan is still aligned with your vision. Remember, a little planning today avoid a lot of chaos tomorrow.
That means to say is that you have a vision board, or that's your plan. You have business goals. So networking with that's another thing. Well, let me talk about a business plan first. The business plan is you have a goals, and plus when you have a goal, put it on a vision board. That's your goal. And you know what? When you visualize your goals, and you know what? It's kind of new to me too, honestly. I haven't really, but little things comes into place, and I'm actually seeing that slowly. But I have yet to see more. But I have seen a lot of members that have seen it really, having them put them in their boards, all in their years of experience. This has because they put them in their vision boards. They're visualizing it, so it's come into action and it materializes. So another thing is networking with other entrepreneurs is tending a never-ending buffet of ideas, connections, and potential partnerships. Now, imagine standing at that buffet, looking around and realizing that you're not just competing for the last slice of pizza. You're also forming alliances and discovering untapped resources. So grab your plate, folks, because the more you network, the more diverse your entrepreneurial meal becomes. So here, on our community, don't worry about that. There's a lot of entrepreneurs. So basically, you're not alone. We have a lot of members. So you're not going to be alone in this program, in this community. And everybody will help you. Like-minded people. Let's face it, running a business can often feel like being the lone wolf in a very big forest. But when you connect with other entrepreneurs, suddenly you're not just howling at the moon alone. You're part of a lively pack, sharing insights, brainstorming solutions. And that's what we do actually. And even venting about the particular challenges of convincing a toddler to eat vegetables. Because trust me, those skills translate into negotiations tactics too. Now I'm talking about our team meetings, webinars, conferences, and everything. Mind you, we talk all about this.
Remember, every conversation you have is an opportunity to unlock a door you didn't even know existed. Someone's experience might just be the shortcut you need to avoid the pitfalls they fell into. This is why building a network isn't just beneficial, it's crucial. So you don't be shy. Reach out, share your stories, and listen to others. You never know who might have the golden ticket to your next big breakthrough.
And let's be real for a second. Who doesn't love a good support system? And we do. It's like having a cheerleading squad that actually understands your struggles. And we do. When you surround yourself with fellow entrepreneurs, you're cultivating an environment where everyone lifts each other up. You celebrate wins together and tackle setbacks with a collective gut laugh. And mind you, we all do. Our team, oh my God, you haven't met them, but we do. Because at the end of the day, the entrepreneurial journey is less about competition and more about collaboration. So, go ahead, unleash your inner social butterfly and start mingling. Your future self will thank you. And you just don't see us, but we go live. Remember, we go live every Monday, and you see us, and you could see us sometimes even before just kind of coming on live. We were just already laughing or whatever. Because you know what? Behind the scenes, we're already doing what I'm talking about in here. Because we're talking about all this collaboration, all these things that were the struggles, the winnings, the celebrations, and everything. So we're just, and of course, the struggles, that we're just normal people. So like those, we're not, there's nobody like ups or down or whatever. We're just talking equally here. So overwhelmed? Don't be. Start with one clear action. Your first step, drop READY, R-E-A-D-Y in the comments or DM me and I'll help you take it. So, or the www.mariamoletaranza.com. Again, you could see it in the description on this live or on my bio. That's where my website is. Again, feeling overwhelmed? Don't be. Start with one clear action. Just yours, one free specific action. Join our free webinar. Write down your business idea. Reach out to the mentor. That's me. That's it. One small step can lead to a massive change. Don't overthink. Just do it. Click the link in my bio to take that first step. Or share this video with a friend. Share my business page to a friend. Who knows, this is the only thing that you are actually just waiting for. So, what's the first step to starting this journey? Register to my website. And I think that's about it. And thank you. And hopefully you watch this video to the end and you find value or
may
natutunan ko. And hopefully meron po kayong at least in your gut or whatever under me. Thank you po sa inyo sa pagtangkilik sa aming live. Bye-bye.
Good
night.